Looking for the best French presses to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Bodum Chambord. The Bodum Chambord is a classic and reliable French press coffee maker. It has a strong borosilicate glass carafe, which is securely held in a stainless steel frame, available in either polished or copper finishes. The plunger and filter system work well to separate the coffee grounds from the brew, giving you a rich, full-bodied cup of coffee. With a 34-ounce capacity, it's perfect for making multiple cups at once. The heat-resistant glass lets you easily see the brewing process while keeping the temperature steady. The 3-part stainless steel plunger with a mesh filter helps extract the full flavor from coarsely ground coffee beans. The Chambord is not only functional but also looks great, making it suitable for everyday use and for entertaining guests. It's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Number 4. AeroPress Original. The AeroPress Original delivers exceptional coffee in minutes. This compact device uses a combination of immersion and pressure brewing to produce smooth, rich coffee with low acidity. Its simple design consists of a plunger, chamber, and filter cap, all made from BPA-free plastic. The AeroPress can brew both American-style coffee and espresso-like shots, offering versatility in a single tool. It's highly portable, making it ideal for travel or small kitchens. The brewing process is quick, typically taking 1 to 2 minutes, and allows for easy customization of strength and flavor. Cleanup is effortless, as the spent grounds can be pushed out in one step. The AeroPress uses paper microfilters, resulting in a clean cup without sediment. Number 3. Mueller French Press. This French press offers exceptional durability with its stainless steel construction. This 34-ounce coffee maker features a double-walled design that keeps coffee hot for longer periods compared to glass models. Its 4-level filtration system, comprising a coiled filter, 2 stainless steel screens, and a metal crossplate filter, ensures a smooth brew free of grounds. The press is versatile, suitable for brewing coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. It's easy to use, requiring only ground coffee and hot water for a full-bodied flavor. The dishwasher-safe components make cleaning effortless, while the ability to disassemble the plunger allows for thorough hand washing. Its rust-free quality and portability make it ideal for home use, office, or camping. Number 2. Café du Chateau French Press. The Café du Chateau French Press is our runner-up pick with its superior 4-level filtration system for a smooth, sediment-free brew. This 34-ounce press features a durable stainless steel construction with a borosilicate glass carafe, combining style and functionality. The double-layered stainless steel filter screens, coupled with a spring-loaded base plate and top lid strainer, effectively separate grounds from liquid. Its 304-grade stainless steel components provide resilience and rust protection, while the heat-resistant glass withstands boiling water. The press is versatile, suitable for both coffee and tea brewing. It's easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts that disassemble effortlessly. The included detailed brewing guide helps users perfect their technique, BPA-free and meeting food safety standards. This French press offers a reliable, high-quality brewing experience. Number 1. AeroPress Clear. The AeroPress Clear is the best French press you can buy on the market and gives exceptional clarity in coffee brewing. This new model features a transparent BPA-free and BPS-free copolyester chamber, allowing users to observe the entire brewing process. It maintains the original AeroPress's rapid brewing time of about 2 minutes and produces 1 to 3 cups per press. The Clear model is dishwasher safe and includes a reusable stainless steel filter, reducing paper waste. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel or small kitchens. The AeroPress Clear uses a unique pressure brewing method, combining the best elements of French press and pour-over techniques to create a smooth, rich coffee with low acidity. The device's versatility allows for both American-style coffee and espresso-like shots. With its durable construction and easy-to-clean design, the AeroPress Clear is a practical choice for coffee enthusiasts seeking consistent, high-quality brews. So that sums up my top 5 French presses I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.